Go. Du skal sige action.
Action.
Du skal sige take one. Action.
Ej, hvor er det irriterende. Take one. Action.
What's up, people? So, the last meal of the day, and we saved the best for last. I got my trusty camera assistant, the finale, the myth, the legend, Miss Bundy behind the camera. If you follow me, Miss Bundy, please. These are gonna be the ingredients for today. We got the flour, the skyr. You can also use Greek yogurt, but I like this. We got the baking powder and the carbonated something. Eggs, banana, strawberries, almond milk. You can use normal milk if you want, but this is less calories. Got the Nutella and got the Reese's peanut butter for the spread. Alright, we're not gonna use the tomatoes, so forget about these. First, you would like to turn on your stove for about low to medium. Depends on the stove. I got mine at medium, that's fine. And we're gonna take the flour with the scale, put the sieve on the scale, take the flour, and then you just gently sieve it. You want 150 grams, that's fine. Then you take baking powder and the carbo something. You take 1 teaspoon of each. Now, if you only have one, like if you only have the baking powder, you can put it in. Just be careful because, well, actually don't be careful. Just know that if you do that, it's gonna taste like metal for some reason. So use both if you can, or use none. Whoopsie. There you go. Then you seal it through, so you don't get any. Get a close up, Mr. Bundy, please. Get a close up. You don't want any clumps. Look at this fine mixture. And look at the focus in my eyes. Alright. So, that's it for the flour and the baking powder and something. Now we're gonna do the eggs. We're gonna take 150 grams of egg whites. You can use just like a bottle of egg whites if you have. You can't really get that in Denmark. It's kind of expensive, so we just use normal eggs and separate them. You can use a whole egg. It's gonna be better. It's gonna be more aesthetically pleasing, but it's gonna be more calories. So watch me nail this. I'm not gonna fail a single egg. That's one.
Kan man passe på?
That's two. Move, Miss Bundy, please. Alright, so 146 grams. You take a fork, or you can use the whiskey thing. A whisk, I guess. I'm just gonna use a fork. And then you just whisk it around. Now the important thing is you want it to really get whisked around and get foamy. This is the main thing that's gonna make the pancakes get really fluffy. So and when you get tired in one arm, you can just switch to the next. It's almost like you're making meringues. That should be enough.
No.
That is not enough apparently.
Give it more.
Miss Bundy is trying to open Oopsie. She succeeded. Now I'm just gonna make an executive decision and say that this is enough, no matter what the fuck Miss Bundy says. Okay, so next step is you're just gonna mix it all together. You take the flour and you put in the eggs. Whoop.
Du vil ikke også give gurke først?
Then, please, Miss Bundy, I'm the cook. You're the camera assistant.
Ah, oh my god.
Yes. So you take the almond milk. You want 100 milliliters.
You can also use ordinary milk.
I said that in the beginning.
Okay, shut the fuck up, bitch.
Then you take the skyr or Greek yogurt. Now, I'm using the same spoon as I did with the eggs. Doesn't matter because this is going to be empty when I'm done. We want 150 grams. Right there. No. Saved it. You got everything you need except we need one more thing. The sweetener. I used the ISIS. They are not affiliated with the terrorist group ISIS. Just so you know. ISIS, please don't sponsor me.
Hold up, der kommer også søde ting i, hva'?
Yes, you want it to taste really sweet, so that's why we're using a lot of it. Right, now you just need the cooking utensil called a spatula. And you don't want to stir it around, you want to fold it. That's what I've learned. Back in my days in... Hvor kommer pandekager fra?
I Amerika, tror jeg.
Back in my days in America when I went to cooking school at Harvard.
Oh my god.
Yes.
Shut up.
Harvard is known for their cooking schools.
No.
Yes, they are.
No.
Yes.
Det kunne du godt sagt, du var min masterchef.
And also, I am the 2008 winner of MasterChef America.
You're best buddy with Gordon Ramsay, right?
Actually, fun fact. Gordon Ramsay is my uncle. I just, I didn't wanna live in his shadow, and I didn't want to get any success from his name, so I just chose. I'm not gonna use the Ramsay name.
So you
That's very
decided
honorable of
to
me.
pick the most ordinary Danish name ever, the most boring name.
Yes, Jørgensen. Does Kim Jørgensen sound like a 45-year-old truck driver?
Yes.
Yes, he does. But I like the surprise factor. When people hear the name Kim Jørgensen, they think, oh, that's probably some middle-aged truck driver from, I don't know, somewhere rural. But no, it's just me.
So, what are you doing, bitch?
This is bitch speaking. Bitch is cutting strawberries. While the knife is useful for cutting the fruit or the berry, it's also useful for defending off unwanted strawberry eaters, like my camera assistant, Miss Bundy. As I know that in a moment she's gonna try to go for one of the strawberries. And that is where I'm gonna stab her. You will get it all on film.
Hvorfor må du så?
Because I'm the cook. And apparently,
Jeg får alt for lidt løn for det her.
I'm the master chef.
No. Ej, må jeg ikke godt få det over?
You can get this.
Thank you.
Shut up!
Åh!
Yeah, I know, right? There's an old saying in Harvard where I graduated cooking school. Strawberry is like heaven on earth. Think about it. You want what?
Okay.
You want some heaven on earth?
Okay.
Say it.
I want some heaven on earth.
Like,
Put it in my mouth.
no,
What the
I
fuck?
just used the wrong side of the knife.
Do you cut it for children or what?
Now, I don't want to repeat myself, but I went to Harvard cooking school. I know what I'm doing.
No.
Miss Bundy, did you go to Harvard cooking school?
Yes.
She did not.
I went to Yale.
Oh. My rival. Oh boy, us Harvard people, we hate Yale cooking school
Oh my
people.
god.
Yes. Now notice the bananas are escaping. They know they're gonna get eaten.
That is how bad he is at cooking school.
Mm.
Yes. If you went to Yale, nothing like that will ever happen. It's true. But it's true. Shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up, Howard.
Don't call me Howard. Howard. Okay.
Okay.
We're ready. Now, we need a...
Why did you take the pink one?
What is this called?
En suppeøser.
Ah, yes, a subverser. We're gonna use the subverser to make sure that every pancake is gonna be approximately the same size.
Yeah.
Yes. Alright, so we need a plate. This is a plate. This is not gonna be hard at all. We're gonna move this Pepsi can. Alright, another thing, use this and use this. Now, why is this one important? Well, you need a... what the fuck is this called? A flippy floppy. You need a flippy floppy. That is broad enough, so you don't get...
Broad enough?
Yeah, wide enough.
Oh my god!
I went to Howard.
No!
You can just get under it, and because it's not gonna be that fucking broad or wide, Miss Bunny, please don't laugh at me.
Shit!
I know what I'm doing. Anyways, it's gonna be easier to flip. Okay? So, first thing first. Miss Bundy, please.
And noticed that the pink one...
Oh, we need some...
The pink suppeøser.
A subverser.
Øser.
Yes.
Yes, he bought that. That's not mine.
Yeah. Right. Okay, first pancake going in, and you know the universal rule. The first pancake will always be ugly. But let's try to break that rule right now. Now, I'm a bit of a freak, so I always... Yeah, I just moved that with no hands, by the way. I'm telekinetic. I always like to put on a timer for each side. I go for 1 minute each side at a medium heat, and usually that's enough. Sometimes when you put blueberries or whatever you put inside the pancake, chocolate chips, it can make it uneven inside, so when you flip it, it maybe need more time on one side than the other. But a golden rule is, when you see the bubbles start to appearing everywhere and they start to burst, then you flip it. Yeah, this is very scientific. Pancake science.
Howard.
Yes, from the best. This is not very hygienic. Just slapping myself with the flippy floppy.
Well, you picked your nose.
Yeah, I also
so. And didn't wash your hands.
I'm just making sure that nobody eats my pancakes but me. Alright, so we are about 1 minute in, and we're gonna do the...
Did you make some for me?
I did not.
You promised.
I did not.
Yeah.
It looks decent. It looks okay. Don't laugh at me. Just please. That should be enough. Now it's ready. You take the fruit or berries. I'm gonna use strawberries on this one. We put in another pancake. Husk at få noget B-roll. Af pandekagerne. Okay guys, so the finished product, we added Nutella and we added peanut butter. We just gave it 30 seconds in the microwave, maybe stir it a bit with the peanut butter because it's more thick. This is the final product. Now, the golden rule is that everything looks better on a wooden cutting board. That's the golden rule, okay?
But not on the plate first.
Well, I'm not gonna eat pancakes off a fucking piece of wood. That's just plain weird. Anyways, without the Nutella and the peanut butter, this is 740 calories and 41 protein. 5 grams of fat and rest is carbs. So that's it. Nothing fancy, no special ingredients. It can maybe fill in your sweet tooth so you just don't go apeshit on whatever you see in the store. That's it. Subscribe, like, share, comment. Love me. Bye.
Let me break bread.